Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Instant Pot Cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their electric pressure cooker, especially if you're new to the game and find yourself intimidated by the myriad of buttons and functions. This cookbook is designed to demystify the Instant Pot, transforming it from a confusing gadget into your go-to kitchen appliance for quick, delicious, and healthy meals, whether you're a busy professional, a student on a budget, or a parent trying to get dinner on the table without the fuss. Number 5. Instant Pot Cookbook for Beginners. Discover a world of flavor with this beginner-friendly cookbook. It's packed with easy-to-follow recipes for your pressure cooker. Explore 600 versatile recipes designed for your busy life. You'll find something delicious for every meal, every day. Save money and eat well with these affordable meal ideas. Enjoy homemade goodness without breaking the bank. New to pressure cooking? This guide makes it simple. Master your appliance with confidence and ease. Transform your cooking experience with this essential companion. It's the ultimate resource for delicious, stress-free meals. What we like? This cookbook is packed with 600 everyday recipes designed for affordability and ease. If you are looking for a wide variety of simple, budget-friendly meals to make with your Instant Pot, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone new to pressure cooking who wants to explore many different types of dishes without breaking the bank. What people say. This cookbook is a lifesaver for new Instant Pot users. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions that make cooking with the Instant Pot less intimidating. The recipes are easy to follow and result in delicious meals. Number 4. Instant Pot Magnetic Cooking Guide. Discover the full capabilities of your Instant Pot with this essential magnetic cooking guide. It covers over 100 food entries across 6 categories and is compatible with all models. Make meal preparation easier with this large font chart. It provides instant readability with liquid ratios, pressure times, and special cooking information for various dietary needs. This waterproof and tear-resistant magnetic chart is built to withstand everyday kitchen use. It's a perfect, screen-free solution for consistent meals and time-saving efficiency. Easily hang or mount this accessory for quick access while cooking. It enhances the convenience of your recipes and minimizes cleanup, fitting any kitchen setting. Beautifully packaged, this cooker tool is an ideal gift for any occasion. It's designed to boost cooking confidence and streamline your kitchen workflow, regardless of experience level. No matter which Instant Pot model you own, this guide is designed to work with it. It ensures accurate cooking times and pressure levels for delicious results every time. What we like? This magnetic cheat sheet offers quick access to over 100 food entries across 6 categories, compatible with all Instant Pot models. If you often forget cooking times or need a fast reference during busy meal prep, this waterproof and durable guide is for you. It's a must-have kitchen gadget for those who want to minimize mistakes and save time, especially for weeknight dinners. What people say. This cookbook is a lifesaver for new Instant Pot users. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions that make cooking with the Instant Pot less intimidating. The recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. Number 3. 5-ingredient Instant Pot Cookbook for 2. Discover delicious and easy-to-make meals with our cookbook. Designed for busy couples, it simplifies cooking with minimal ingredients. Whip up fantastic dishes in no time. Each recipe uses just 5 simple ingredients, perfect for weeknight dinners. Enjoy perfectly sized meals for 2 without any waste. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to satisfying dinners. Make the most of your Instant Pot with these straightforward recipes. It's the ideal companion for anyone looking to cook smarter, not harder. Experience a world of flavor with recipes that are as fast as they are delicious. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meal. What we like? This cookbook focuses on simple, delicious recipes using only 5 ingredients, specifically designed for 2 people. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 and want to make easy, quick meals without a lot of fuss or a long ingredient list, this is your go-to. It's perfect for couples or individuals looking for convenient, no complication dinners. What people say. The cookbook is a great starting point for anyone new to the Instant Pot. It provides clear and concise instructions for basic recipes. The recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. Number 2. The Ultimate Instant Pot Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the easiest way to master your Instant Pot. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to delicious meals. Explore a vast collection of 1,500 recipes, perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. You'll find something for everyone. It's more than just a pressure cooker. Learn to use it as a slow cooker, rice cooker, for sautéing, and so much more. Whether you're new to the Instant Pot or a seasoned pro, these recipes are designed to impress. Elevate your cooking game. Make mealtime simple and exciting. This cookbook is the essential companion for your kitchen adventures. What we like. With an impressive 1,500 recipes, this cookbook caters to everyone from beginners to advanced users and covers multiple Instant Pot functions. If you want an all-encompassing resource that will keep you cooking for years and explore everything your Instant Pot can do, from pressure cooking to sautéing, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for those who love variety and want to master all aspects of their multi-cooker. What people say. This cookbook is a lifesaver for new Instant Pot users. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions that make cooking with the Instant Pot less intimidating. The recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. Number 1. Instant Pot Magnetic Cheat Sheet. Unlock over 150 delicious foods with this comprehensive guide. It's designed to save you time and elevate your cooking experience. Enjoy larger fonts and spacing for effortless reading. It provides precise cooking times, liquid requirements, and pressure levels, even for high altitudes and vegan options. Crafted from thick, double-laminated paper, this accessory is waterproof, oil-resistant, and built to last. Easily hang it on the wall or attach it to any magnetic surface with its strong back magnet. Its compact design makes it convenient for any kitchen. Looking for a memorable gift? This beautifully packaged cheat sheet is ideal for anyone who owns a pressure cooker. It's a delightful surprise for home cooks. What we like. This premium quality magnetic cheat sheet features over 150 foods with large fonts for easy reading, covering precise cooking times and more. If you appreciate clear, well-researched information and a durable, easy-to-clean reference tool, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, high-quality guide to enhance their Instant Pot cooking experience and makes a great gift. What people say. The cookbook is a great resource for beginners, offering clear instructions and helpful tips. It includes a variety of recipes that are easy to follow, even for those new to using an Instant Pot. The cookbook provides detailed explanations of the Instant Pot's functions and features, making it easier to understand how to use the appliance effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.